In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the From field in Outlook. If you've ever wanted to send an email from a different email address than the one that's currently displayed, knowing how to enable this feature can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to Microsoft Outlook. You can open it through the desktop application if you have it installed, or simply access it via your preferred web browser by typing in the Outlook website address. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a sign in option at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to sign in with your email and password. This is a straightforward process, but remember to keep your login credentials handy and make sure you're signing in with the account where you want to enable the From field feature. Once you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner again where you'll see an icon for settings. Click on this to open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labelled See All Settings. Opening the settings menu will give us access to exactly what we need. Now, on the settings page, look for the Compose and Reply section. This is typically where you'll find options related to email creation and sending behaviours. Click on it to expand the options related to email composition. Scrolling down just a bit, you'll encounter a feature called Always Show From. The purpose of enabling this feature is to let you select from multiple email addresses, provided your account has them linked. This can be handy for business users or individuals who operate under multiple aliases. Once you've located the Always Show From option, make sure to tick or toggle the corresponding checkbox or switch. This will activate the feature showing the From field each time you compose a new email, allowing you to choose which address you'd like the recipient to see. After you've enabled the From field, the last but very crucial step is to hit the Save button. You should find the Save option either at the top right or bottom of the settings pane. Clicking Save ensures that all your changes are applied and will be active from your next email. And there you have it, you've now successfully configured Outlook to always display the From field when composing an email. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you manage your communications, especially if you frequently send emails from multiple addresses. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.